Hello everyone. Here we will see about the learning types. The first one is inductive learning. The machine or learning system derives the rules from given set of training examples. That means which is learning the knowledge from given instance space which is having training examples. And the second type is deductive learning. Here the existing rules, that is learned knowledge of the learning system which is applying on the given new training examples in the given data set. Biased hypothesis space in the sense when machine learns using few examples, then it will learn some knowledge. Using that knowledge, we can apply that into the new training examples which we will get in future. So here there is the possibility of not considering all kind of training examples, so which is possible to get bias with the this few examples. So if that learning system getting this kind of examples, it will predict the values perfectly. But if there is any changes in the training examples values, then this learning system will not identify the result accurately. So this learning system is biased to this only the examples which are already used for learning purpose. So here it will include all kind of hypothesis, so the hypothesis space will increase, right? So for example, if you are getting the six features, sky is sunny and humidity is warm and temperature is normal, and here we are using the wind strong and water is cool and forecast is change. So this is the training example already we have used for learning the knowledge. Then in the future, if we are giving the new training example or new testing sample, the testing sample having the value forecast in the place of same. So in the place of forecast this value is same, so in this place, then this learning system will give you the target concept as a no for this hypothesis, because it doesn't have this kind of knowledge during the learning stage, so it unable to identify the result for this new value same which is given in the feature of forecast. So it is biased, this learning system is biased to only the few samples. So we have to increase the number of samples to avoid the biasing in the learning system. Here example is given. The biased hypothesis is restrict the hypothesis space to include only conjunctions of the attribute values. That is, this conjunctions of attribute values is leading to bias the learning system to consider only conjunctive hypothesis. That means it will not represent the disjunct of target concept. You look at that here, it will not use or it will not represent the disjunctive target concept. For example, we will take the samples three samples. Here the target concept is given for all the samples. Here we will take the hypothesis. Here the first value is uh, general constraint which is accepting any value, then warm, normal, strong, cool, change. Now we will check this given hypothesis is consistent or inconsistent by checking with all the examples. The condition is h of xi should be equal to c of xi. Now we will check first sample, sunny which is accepting by this constraint, then here warm, here also warm, both are matching, so true, and it is also true, and here also normal, here also normal, so then here also strong, here also strong, so both are matching, true. The is it matching with the cool? Yes, it is matching. Then sixth attribute change, yes, this is also change. Then all are matching, so it is a true. So this is also true, this is also yes, so both are matching. So sample number 1 is uh, satisfying the given hypothesis h of x1. Now we will check with the second one. So cloudy here, question symbol, yes it is accepting. Then warm, here also warm, normal, strong, strong, cool, change, so all are accepting. So if both are matching, we will get the true value for all the constraints, so we got the true. So here also we got true. And now the third sample, when you are looking that, here it is a rainy, it is accepting by this question symbol. Then here it is a warm, it is also accepting. And normal, here also normal, so this is also true. Then strong, here also strong, so true. Then cool, here also cool, then it is also true. Then change, here also change, it is also true. So all are true will give you the value true. But the target concept of x3 is no. So here h of x3 is not satisfying the c of x3. So this hypothesis is inconsistent with respect to the sample number 3. So this hypothesis is unable to identify the sample number 3. So this hypothesis is biased to the only sample numbers x1 and x2. So it is unable to identify the sample number 3. So what to do to solve this issue? We have to use unbiased hypothesis using power set of the given data set D. So the biased concepts used in the classification example is given here. So in this example we are having the six hypotheses. In this six hypotheses, we will apply the new samples. So new, these are all new sample or testing samples. So we are checking the we are predicting the value of this all the samples. So for sample number 2 and 3, all hypotheses are working perfectly. But the sample number 3, you look at that, the first hypothesis, this is the sunny, here it is a sunny, then all are general constraints, so it will give the true. So this is also true. Okay, now you look at that, here this is a question symbol, so it will accept. So here it is a warm, so this is accepting, so all are true. So this is also giving true. Okay, then like that, this hypothesis sunny, so here it is also sunny, then accepting, normal, strong, accepting, here general constraints, so this is also giving the true. Then here sunny, warm, yeah, here also sunny, warm, so here it is also giving true. So hypothesis 4, here also warm, second attribute here warm, fourth attribute is strong, so which is also giving true. And sixth attribute also, sixth hypothesis sunny, warm, yes, here also sunny, warm, and here it's strong, so this is also strong, remaining are general constraints, so this is also true. So for uh, all the hypotheses giving the consistent with respect to sample number A. So like this, when we are checking with the sample number 3, three hypotheses are giving positive, so this one will give the positive. So here it is a sunny, remaining all are question symbol, so it is giving the positive. And here three hypotheses, so first we will see which are all giving the positive. So this is also giving positive, because here it is an warm. And the third one, this is also giving the positive for the sample number 3. And this one sunny, warm, then remaining all are uh, question symbol, so this is also giving the positive, that means yes. Then here this is a warm, yes it is a warm, here it is a strong, but here it is a light. Okay, so it is giving no. Then like this, for next attribute, next hypothesis, here sunny, warm, here also warm, then general constraint, this is giving the strong, but here it is a light, so which is giving here no. So here the two hypotheses are giving no. And four hypotheses are, and here this is also giving negative. So here look at that, this is also giving negative. Okay, so three hypotheses are giving positive, these three hypotheses are giving negative. So unable to classify this particular sample by this six hypothesis, because all no also three times, yes also three times, so unable to classify. At the same time, sample number D, you look at that, we can apply this hypothesis. So this is also giving positive, this is warm, but here it is a cold. For the second hypothesis, it is giving the no. Then here sunny, here also sunny, the fourth attribute is strong, yes, it is giving the positive. Then here sunny, here it is a warm, but here it is a cold, so it is giving the negative. And here warm, here it is a cold, so it is also giving negative, right? And here which is sunny warm, but here it is sunny, here it is a cold, which is also giving negative. So four hypotheses are giving negative. Okay, so we can classify that given sample, this one as a negative, because majority of hypotheses are provide you the negative class, two are giving the positive class. So among this 4 and 2, 4 is the greater value. So we will that our hypothesis system, learning system, is classifying that given sample number D as a negative target concept. Thanks for watching.